Hi, everyone. It's Salma Khattab, the Breakthrough Hypno Coach. So last time I talked about muscle testing and how to use your fingers and, trying to open your fingers apart to see what kind of beliefs or people or ideas or opportunities or whatever thoughts are having a weakening response on your body versus a neutral or sometimes positive response, like strengthening response on your body. So if you haven't seen that video, please go back and watch that video. This week, what you're going to do is you're going to write down all that you are desiring for this year, anything that you want to manifest. Just write them down, one sentence about each. Then you're going to use the muscle testing, and you're going to test each one of those statements to see which one has a weakening response. And then whichever one had a weakening response, write it down on the top of a piece of paper, and then take a few moments to sit down with your hands to your heart and just imagine, visualize that thing manifesting for you. So visualize whatever that is. If it's a move, for example, visualize it manifesting for you, and really connect with your body, maybe with a few breaths, and just feel what emotions come up. Any emotions that come up, write them down. Maybe it's doubt, maybe it's guilt, maybe it's anxiety, maybe it's anger, maybe it's fear. Write them all down. You're going to take that list of those emotions. You're going to muscle test again. All right. You muscle test, just make a mark next to any emotion where it has that weakening response that we talked about. Once you do that, start with the clearing process. It's going to be a very simple process. It's the process that I use all the time, and I have a few videos using it, which is the Breathwork Detox. So you're going to write down a statement first. You're going to say, I release, write down the emotion that was tested weak, write down that statement about what it is that you wanted to manifest. So for example, I release all doubt with moving to, I'll just say Egypt because I'm Egyptian, okay? I release all doubt with moving to Egypt. I have that statement. I sit down, I relax, I take a few deep breaths, and then I take a deep breath in. I hold my breath, and then I read the statement in my mind, and then I release that breath fully. And then I repeat this process with the different emotions that tested weak for that specific statement. And then eventually, when I have done the process for multiple statements, I will release all of the different emotions for all of the different statements that tested weak. The last thing that you do is that you go back and you muscle test those statements again that were testing weak before, and you muscle test those emotions that were testing weak before. And take a note if any of them test weak again, but most likely you'll be delighted to find that they're not having that same response. They're not testing as weak as they did before. Your fingers are not opening apart. And if that's the case, then hooray, I want you to make some kind of really excited motion, movement with your body to anchor that in. Do you have released that trapped emotion? It is gone. It's not coming back. Okay, so give yourself a hug, clap your hands, hooray, jump up and down. You are releasing it. It is out of your life. Okay, and you can repeat this process as often as you want. Once you're done, let me know how that went for you. Let me know how it feels. Okay. In the future, we'll do it for other things, and I'm with you. If you need help with this, just send me a message, connect with me through my website or by DM or even in the comments, and I am happy to help you with that. Okay.